You're not failing. You're just using the wrong system. Let me show you something on my screen now. You know, guys, right now, this is how most people run their online business or any offline business. When we talk about website and blogs, most people make use of WordPress.com. And when we talk about funnels, clickfunnels.com or Kajabi. And when it comes to email marketing, many of them make use of GetResponse. Few of them, they work with another email marketing platforms. And courses, lot many people make use of school.com, or they can move along with Teachable. Okay, that is also one of the best platform for courses. And when it comes to CRM, HubSpot is the best one. Look at this, guys. Now 1 2 3 4 5 different tools, 5 different logins, and 5 different payments every single month. This can easily cost in between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month, and still nothing feels connected, right? Now, leads don't sync properly, emails don't trigger at the right time, customers get confused, and you spend more time fixing this kind of technical stuff than actually making money. Now, watch this, guys. This is one dashboard, okay? Inside of this dashboard, I can build websites, I can create funnels, I can manage leads, I can do email marketing, I can run courses, I can take payments, everything, okay? Everything in one platform, which is called eStage, okay? So let me go through it. And this is the admin dashboard, guys, and this is an admin view. And here you can see community, video hosting, support 24/7. And when I go to software and projects, okay, so I'll just give a brief information over here, but in my upcoming sessions, what I do is like I go each and everything step by step, guys. So I'll be taking a separate session on funnels, on website a separate session, CRM separate session, like that. I'll be like moving across them with separate sections. Okay, right now I'll be showing you how this dashboard look like. So this is an admin view, and here you can see all these are my projects. Okay, I mean like my clients. So if you want to collaborate with me and work along with me, you can also get connected with me from the link in the channel description, which says Digital HQ. Okay, so once you get enrolled with me, okay, and if you like to work along with your project, let me show you a few examples. Now here, as I said, I can build websites, create funnels, manage leads, etc. Main thing, guys, lot many people face problems is like they spend a lot of money with ClickFunnels, right? So once you are in like working with me, you need not to spend money on WordPress, ClickFunnels, either on GetResponse, on school for courses, or CRM. Why? Because everything is held in one platform, and with a fraction of fee, you will be amazed when I talk about the pricing. So for more information, you need to get contact with me. There is a WhatsApp number. Once you get into the link in the description, you will get connected with me through WhatsApp, and I'll be revealing you with the pricing. Okay, so the pricing point is literally is a mind-boggling kind of thing. You will be amazed. So here you can see I can create unlimited pages, and there is an admin and models view. There is CRM. There is a blog section. There is a community to host your courses. There are funnels where you can track each and everything from where your traffic is coming, each and everything you can do over here. Apart from that, you can see here video hosting is available, domain management, comments, model builder, guys. This is one of the best best thing what is we are having in our builder. Okay, and apart from that, mega menu builder and user management. So everything in one platform, guys, and you can create unlimited pages. Now I'm into one of my project, and I'll be showing you how does it would be working. Okay, so it's saying coming soon, and when I go and you know, guys, we can create dynamic websites over here. Okay, so let me open one of the page. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll be opening this page now. So here we can create dynamic websites from scratch. Okay, you can create unlimited pages, unlimited funnels. It's up to you. And you can see if I would like to convert this into a funnel, okay, this page into a funnel, with just a click of a button, I can do that. See, I'll be clicking on project page settings. I'll go to layouts, and if I hide header and footer, this is a funnel for me. See, you can't see header and footer over here. Okay, so this is a funnel for me. So each and every page can act as a funnel or else a separate dedicated page. Cool. And you can do manual changes. Okay, if you need anything to be added over here, you can click plus icon and you can add anything you need. Okay, you can do images, you can add videos, you can add buttons, each and everything you can do. It's like a latest model builder where you can do all the things what you do in all the other websites which I've shown you, right? So click funnels, it's only for funnels, but here we can do unlimited funnels. Okay, and WordPress blogging, you can do blogging over here. So once you watch each and everything separately, guys, you'll be understanding. So for that purpose, I request you to please do subscribe. And apart from that, you are having blog, as I said, community is available, and CRM. Okay, this is the advantage here. On CRM you can watch everything what your customer is doing, from where did your customer came, like how much payment they have done, each and everything you can watch in the CRM. Okay, so this is the CRM. You can watch the last 10 payments, top 5 customers, and how much they have spent, how much got refunded. There is an affiliate center also, but each and everything will be discussed in my upcoming videos, so please do subscribe. All right, guys, so this is one of the great platform I would like to convey with you. And apart from that, you can also create dedicated pages designed for your needs. Once I click on add a blank page and add a page, you can do that. Okay, and also there is a blog section over here, and there are many integrations you can do, email marketing integrations, video hosting. And when I go to project settings, you can see here business details, code injection, share, social share, SEO, integrations. And when I go and check with the integrations, you can get all kind of integration, like payment integration, email integrations, SEO kind of things integrations, Google tag, Facebook pixels, each and everything. You can see this is for email integration, payment processing. Even you'll be having Razorpay, okay, marketing, analytics, and chat. Okay, so each and everything you'll be getting over here. You need not to work on different other platforms. So guys, this is just an overview. If you like to watch it completely step by step on each and every model, then I request you to please do subscribe so you won't miss any next notification. And guys, if you want this exact setup, I use one platform to run everything. You can check it out in the link in the channel description. Okay, get connected with me and start your digital HQ and stop struggling with other tools. Okay, I'll catch you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.